and welcome. Today we are going to solve some simplification question. Now look at the question over here. The question is 2x power half y 1 over cube whole power 6 multiplied by 1 over 2 x power 1 over 4 y 3 over 4 whole power 4. Now first we will solve the bracket one by one and then multiply them with each other. Now further solving we will have 2 raised to the power 6 x 1 over 2 multiplied by whole power 6 y 1 over 3 multiplied by whole power 6. Similarly for the second bracket we will have 1 over 2 whole power 4 x 1 over 4 multiplied by 4 y 3 over 4 multiplied by 4. Now after cancelling out and further solving we will have 64 x cube y square multiplied by 1 over 16 x y cube. X as power of x 1 over 2 multiplied by 6 will become 3 after cancelling out, and y become square after cancelling out. Similarly for x in the second bracket we will remain as x power 1 and y remains as y power 3. After doing that, we will multiply constants with each other, which are 64 multiplied by 1 over. Now this expression becomes 64 divided by 16, but further cancel out and reduced as 4. As far as the x is concerned, we have x, as we know that whenever the base is same, power adds. Here x cube will be added in x, a single x. So it becomes x raised to the power 3 plus 1, which will become x power 4. Same goes for the y. Here y square and y cube. So y raised to the power 2 plus 3, and the final answer is 4 x power 4 y power 5. Now look at another question in which a division is involved. The question is 2x square y minus 1 whole power minus 1 over 4. And this factor is divided by 8x power minus 1 y square whole power minus 1 over 2. First we will solve the bracket individually and then we divide these expressions with each other. Now here we have 2 raised to the power minus 1 over 4 x 2 multiplied by 1 minus 1 over 4 y minus 1 multiplied by 1 minus 1 over 4. We have multiplied this expression with the whole power. Similarly, we do with the denominator, and as we know that 8 is the multiple of 2, as 2 cube is equals to 8. So we write here 2 cube multiplied by minus 1 over 2 x minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 over 2 y square multiplied by minus 1 over 2. As you can see, they will be cancel out each other and the expression will be reduced as 2 raised to the power minus 1 over 4 x minus 1 over 2 y. Here minus minus become plus and it will come out as 1 over 4. Divided by 2 raised to the power minus 3 over 2 as 3 multiplied by minus 1 over 2 and come out as minus 3 over 2. X become 1 over 2 as minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 over 2 minus minus plus, and the answer is 1 over 2, and y become minus 1 y raised to the power minus 1. And as we know that whenever there is a division, okay, now what we are doing here is that we know that whenever the base is same in the division, power subtracts. So here we have the same base 2 raised to the power minus 1, which will subtract with the minus 3 over 2 factor. So we can written as 2 raised to the power minus 1 over 4 minus 3 over 2. Similarly for the x minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2. Y 1 over 4 minus 1, which will be in the denominator. Now the expressions become 2 raised to the power minus 1 over 4 plus 3 over 2 x raised to the power minus 1 minus 1 over 2. Here we have taken the LCM in order to solve it. Now y become 1 over 4 minus plus 1. The LCM of this y will be taken in the next step. So here the expression can be reduced as 2 raised to the power minus 1 plus 6 over 4 x raised to the power minus 2 over 2 y 1 plus 4 over 4. Now the answer is 2 raised to the power 5 over 4 x raised to the power minus 1 y raised to the power 5 over 4. Here look at another question involving multiplication. The question is 4m cube n whole power 1 over 4 multiplied by 8m n cube whole power half. Again we will solve the bracket first and then multiply these brackets with each other. In order to make the base same, first we convert the we write 4 as in the multiple of 2, which is 2 raised to the power 2, which will multiply by whole power 1 over 4, m cube multiplied by whole power 1 over 4, n multiplied by 1 over 4. Similarly, for the second bracket, we write 8 in the multiple of 2, which is 2 raised to the power cube multiplied by whole power half, m multiplied by whole power half, n cube multiplied by half. Further solving, we will have 2 raised to the power half, as 2 into 1 over 4 cancel out with each other and remain as half. m raised to the power 3 over 4, n raised to the power 1 over 4. Multiply by 2 raised to the power 3 over 2, m raised to the power 1 over 2, n raised to the power 3 over 2. Now, by taking LCM, the factor will be reduced as 2 raised to the power 1 plus 3 over 2, m raised to the power 3 plus 2 over 4, n raised to the power 1 plus 6 over 4. Further solving, we will have 2 raised to the power 4 over 2, which will be cancelled out and come out as 2 raised to the power 2. M raised to the power 5 over 4 and n raised to the power 7. So the final answer becomes 4, m power 5 over 4, n power 7 over 4. Now look at another question which involves division, and the question is 5p square q raised to the power 4 whole power 1 over 3 divided by 25p q square whole power minus 1 over 3. Again, first we solve the bracket. So it becomes 5 raised to the power 1 over 3 p square multiplied by whole power 1 over 3 q raised to the power 4 multiplied by 1 over 3 divided by we write 25 in the multiple of 5, which is 5 square, and this further multiplied by the whole power minus 1 over 3. P become p power minus 1 over 3, q square multiplied by minus 1 over 3, and the factor will be reduced as 5 raised to the power 1 over 3, p raised to the power 2 over 3, q raised to the power 4 over 3 divided by 5 raised to the power minus 2 over 3, p raised to the power minus 1 over 3, q raised to the power minus 2 over 3. Now applying the rule here, as we know, whenever the base is same and the division is involved, so the power subtracts from each other. So we will write it as 5 raised to the power 1 over 3 minus 2 over 3, which was in the denominator. Similarly, p raised to the power 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3, the power in the denominator. Q 4 over 3 minus 2 over 3, which was in the denominator. After solving, we will have 5 raised to the power 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3, p raised to the power 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3, q raised to the power 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3. After taking LCM, we will remain with the factor 5 raised to the power 3 over 3, p raised to the power 3 over 3, q raised to the power 4 plus 2 over 3. And after the cancellation, the final answer will become 5pq square. Now look at some more questions in which we have to find out the value of the variable. Here it is x. The question is x raised to the power 1 over 3 is equals to 3. In order to remove the powers from the x, we will take the cube on both sides. As by taking the cube on the both sides, the equation remains the same. So we will have x 1 over 3 whole cube is equals to 3 raised to the power 3. Now the whole cube is cancelled out with 1 over 3 and the x remains as x raised to the power 1 is equals to 27, which will be our answer. There is another question in which there is a value of x is x raised to the power 3 over 2 is equals to 27. In order to remove the power, first we will take the square on both sides. Now the question becomes x raised to the power 3 over 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 27 raised to the power 2. 2 will be cancelled out with the 2 in the power of x, and x remains as x cube, and the square of 27 is 729. Now we have x cube is equals to 729. In order to remove the cube from the x, we will take the cube root on both sides. By taking the cube root, x will become out from as a single entity as x, and the cube root of 729 is 9. So our answer become x is. Now look at another question here, which is x raised to the power minus 2 over 3 is equals to 9. First of all, we will take the cube in order to reduce the power on the x. Now it will come out as x is the power minus 2, as 3 will be cancelled out, and is equals to 729, as 729 is the cube of 9. In order to remove the minus 2 from the power, we will take it into the denominator, and it become 1 over x square is equals to 729. Now this x square is dividing here, we will take it to the other side, and it is become as x square, and 729 is multiplying there, and we will take it into the other side in the division. So the expression become 1 over 729 and is equals to x square. Now taking root on the both sides, we will have x come out of the square root is equals to 1 over 27, where 27 is the square root of 729. Look at another question, which is x raised to the power 3 over 2 is equals to x under root 2. First, we take the square on both sides in order to reduce the power on x. So it becomes x 3 over 2 whole power 2, which will be cancelled out, and x come out as x cube is equal on the other side. X root 2 whole square come out as x square, and root 2 will be cancelled out, so it come out as 2 only. Now we have x cube is equals to x square multiplied by 2. X square is multiplying with the 2 there. Now we take it to the other side, and it will come into the division. So here we have an expression x cube over x square is equals to 2. As we know that whenever the base is same and division is involved, power subtract from each other. So it becomes x raised to the power 3 minus 2 is equals to 2, and x will become out as 2. As 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So the power of x, value of x becomes 2.